These are the elevators at Century 21, the outlets of Bergen Town Center in Paramus, New Jersey. That's you. Scope 2. And here we go. Well, 4,000 pound capacity, just your basic looking Century 21 elevator. Nothing too special or fancy at all. Let's go up to 2. And here we go. I didn't take a second one on the Towne only because that guy was there. Yeah, I just told him no. At least he was nice about it too. He didn't like harass me or anything. So it just depends on what store you're in. Oh, yep. These are Tyler. These are Tyler. That confirms it right there. So let me get a shot of that. Yeah. These are Tyler. These are Tyler traction. It's been confirmed. These are not unknown. These are definitely Tyler traction, Haughton Tyler traction. So there it goes, and that's it.